Hey guys, I am back. I am going to be reviewing a lot of stuff, and yeah, and this should be fun. So make sure you subscribe if you want to see more videos. I'm going to be reviewing campgrounds, doing camp food. I'm going to be using my kitchen appliances, and just everything to make it fun for you all and to see if you all want to, buy the product. I'm also going to be doing reviews on the electronics that I have. But anyway, this is a picture of my lazy noodles. Something so quick and so easy. So what I did is I steamed the noodles with the broccoli. This picture right here, I added some turkey hot dogs, you know. See, I added the broccoli in there, and I made a space in there to add the eggs. So here we go. Yeah, I almost forgot the eggs, and came out really good. That was lunch for work. So make sure you subscribe if you want to see more videos. I will be having a lot more videos that I'm going to be uploading.